Hi everyone, I hope you all. This is CoinsKid. Just going to dive into Bitcoin once again. Thank you for support again. Big up the CoinsKid crew. Thank you to each and every single one of you. So I'm struggling to talk today. I've got a real nasty throat, but I'm trying to get an update out for you. Sorry it's a little bit delayed, but Bitcoin just there. I'll try and be quick with this. At the minute it's retracing, okay? So you're retracing to that low just there, and you can see that for me, if you do start to come down here, you're falling through the fibs basically. You bounce off a 786 at the moment. Like that, you can see you bounce off the golden ratio just there, you ran into the 050 and then your capitulation down to 786. So for me, this is a really sort of last level of support at the moment for Bitcoin in this bull run, okay? Because if you do start to come down below that, hit your head, and you're going to come down to that level there, which is this swing low that you're putting in the summer, because that would create something called a reversal wave, and that would give you a technical target to the downside, which it would give you in time, okay? But for me to tell you it's going to do that in a minute whilst you're holding support would be hopium at the moment, okay? But one thing that's not good here for Bitcoin, I'll be honest with you, on the monthly time frame is you're losing the 20 on the monthly, but we have got 9 days of trading left. Now if you do start to close below that, that would indicate that, you know, that this is a bear market and you're coming down, and you get a confirmation statement there just by closing beneath that monthly 20. It's not a good sign. It's a very, very negative sign. And historical data for Bitcoin, once you close below the 20, it always signals that you're going to come down to the red line. Do you see this? Look, you always come down to the red line. If I show you another chart right there, you can see, you know, look, you come down to the red line there, you got support there in the capitulation event, and look, you got your beautiful support there in the bear market as well. So, you know, like I've shown you in a previous video, if you start closing below the 20, that will give more bias to the fact that you have entered the bear market, and you can come down to that 55 EMA for a key level support right there in the bear market basically. So, you know, you are sort of hanging on here by the skin of your teeth basically for Bitcoin, okay? It's sort of hanging on, but what we're looking for here is a very similar scenario we'll look for in the summer. I'm going to go through this with you quickly if I can, from here to here. Let me show you. So if you remember in the summer just here, okay, I said to you, look, this is a corrective phase of a bull market. No one believed me. We came down to that swing low. We retraced to this swing low. We actually created something called a reversal wave coming all the way back down, okay? Now, like I said to you, if you start to lose that low just there, you're going to be an impulsive break target to the downside, but we never lost the low, okay? We never lost the low. We start to come back up, created a higher low, and it's at that point we broke out and got back above DMAs that we put an impulsive break to the 1618, and it's at this point here, if you refer back to the videos, like I said to you, this is the most important part of that bull run just there for Bitcoin, because look, you put an impulsive break to the 1618. Look, let me show you right now, okay, for those that are new to the channel. Just from here to here was your low, and that was your high, and you can see that you actually met the 1618 just there like an absolute boss, okay? And it's this retracement just here which was the most important part of the bull run. I said to you just there, you need to hold a key level support, because if you start coming back and losing this, look, this is your dead cat bounce, you're coming back and you enter in a bear market, and this is your bear market confirmation here, because look, you come down, we trace to this high, 50% dead cat bounce, which is actually 68%, and then you roll the loss of support, and then you're entering the bear market just there. And I said to you the whole time, you start to do that, come down, you know, this creation, this retracement is the most important part of the bull run. So right now we're exactly where we were in the summer. You're coming down correctively to this low again, like you did this low, okay? You're retracing to nominal levels of support right there for Bitcoin. It's at this point, wherever the low is, okay, wherever we low ball out, even if we do start to come down here and hold this low once more and have a double bottom, okay, if we hold this or even this here and start to create this retracement is the most important part of the bull run. And the reason is because, again, retracement, roll, lose the low, dead cat bounce scenario. You're validating a bear market because you're structurally losing support and you're rolling over effectively. So right now, this is what we're looking for Bitcoin. The retracement to kick in sideways like this over the next couple of weeks, holding this 786 would be amazing. Okay, start to come back up the stairs, get back above DMAs. It's at this point where we run into a kilo resistance, you know, start to come back. It's at this point, if we lose this low that we've created for ourselves, this structure, that's your confirmation of a bear market, okay? I know we're closing under the 20, we're not even closing under the monthly 20 at the minute, but if we do, that in itself is a negative statement, okay? So we're still sort of clinging on by the edge, you know, by the skin of a teeth here for Bitcoin to this bull market. That's what I'm trying to say to you. There's still a light at the end of the tunnel. We're not necessarily in the bear market yet. This is still potentially a corrective phase of a bull market until we lose the support of this low that we put in. This is all about this support of this low that we're going to put in right now and to begin the retracement investment. Okay, so that's basically a quick little update for you on Bitcoin. I do apologize, but my throat's not good. But take care, everyone. Okay, I wish everyone all the best, but hopefully, you know, there is a saying, those who pick bottoms get smelly fingers, and I've been trying to pick the bottom for you. Hopefully this holds, because if it doesn't, that would be a key level to hold, and if it doesn't, you know, you're not even going to get your dead cat bounce. You're just going to cascade, and you're going to come all the way down there basically for Bitcoin. Take care, everyone. Back to another update on Bitcoin. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned. Bye bye.